The Pure Performance, it's a new formula. It's only just been out, so we're going to give that a test drive and see what it's like. It's a low sheen. The colour is called Cloud Burst. Right, we've got the gun all set up. So I've already sprayed one, and this is just to do the cupboards. So for example, inside the cupboards here, all the gloss work's finished in this area here. So I've just sprayed this one here, so this will give you a bit of an idea of what I've done. Okay, now this is all finished with the white, but I've come over there because rather than doing the back edge in white, I'm actually doing it in the Cloud Burst. Now it's easy to fix. It's just a little med roller over the top of that. Down the bottom there, I've gone a little bit more extreme. The skirting is finished, so we're just protecting that edge. And that's had a spray one way, and then it's had a spray another way. So it's actually had a double spray, just so that make sure it covers. I probably shouldn't have done it in here with these doors, but I had the window open and I was fairly careful. Now we've got this one here that we're doing. Just started taping up, and I thought you guys might want to have a look at seeing how I go about doing this one. So really, because the wall colour is it's a fairly light colour, so you don't have to be that particular when you're taping up this top edge of the skirting. And when you do it, make sure you push down hard. If you need to do any touch-ups, you know, you can do it. But to be honest with you, it looks pretty good the way it is. Normally you would probably do these by hand, but I don't know what this paint's like to cover, so I'm just spending an extra 10 minutes doing this to save me doing it, cutting the skirting in by hand afterwards. And here, all this is finished, but we're just going to run this up here, and I've just really got to paint that edge there. I'm just going to do this, just bring it up there, just protect it. I know you're thinking, why don't I protect the whole lot? It's not worth it. It's just easy just to paint it, repaint it with a little med roller. That's bloody easy. Now I'm not a taping kind of guy, but with these houses with the water-based enamel, it's easier to do this bit of taping here. Everything in the house will be done freehand, except for, you know, a few things. The window's been taped up and painted. I'm going to go over, I'm going to leave myself an edge there so I can run some tape down it. And then when I'm going to corner this here, and I'm going to just bend this around here like this. And that just saves me doing any work in that corner. Yeah, I'm no expert at taping. I'm a freehand man. We just don't want this to splash back up there. So just put some tape there, because there's a bit of pressure with the gun. And I've just got the drop sheet over there to protect this. Now all this has been gapped and puttied. Okay, all the cupboards. The top here hasn't because there's shelves going on. feel here is actually really good. Yeah, I find it really good. So what we're going to do, okay. Then we're going to angle that a bit more. You guys might have realised this is the perfect tip for the corners. And then I'm going to go up and down there. Same here. Now I'm doing this so I don't miss anything. I just want the tail to run down there. Okay, so now we've just got, we've got one here. Now it's been undercoated and the undercoat has been tinted up with a wall colour. Okay, so I've done that. So this will be the finished coat. And that's it.